So, on this particular day, it was -2 outside, but somehow, some way, Brutus figured out a way to roll in the dog poo that was in the snow, get it matted into his hair, into chunks of
no
dog dookie sickles.
Gross.
Dookie sickles.
It was nasty.
And so he doesn't fit in our bathtub at home.
No. Well, I mean, okay, he fits, but nobody else fits.
So just watch. Just watch. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready for some chaos?
No, not at all.
This was your idea.
I know it is.
Oh my gosh, here we go.
All right, Brutus, get in the truck.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
This
Could be bad. Shut the door quick before he jumps out.
He's never really been on a ride before.
No, he has no idea. And I think Nana's now in your seat.
She is.
And he's going into the front. There needs to be somebody sitting up front.
Nana, you're not driving. Get in the back. Yeah. This should be interesting, right, Grace?
Yeah.
Brutus, well, let's just say, I'm pretty sure you have no idea what is getting ready to happen.
No, you don't.
Nope, not at all. Right there. Dun, dun, dun. It's winter.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, he's gonna jump.
No, stay put. Come on, stay put.
So, yeah. Just so happens the Tractor Supply has an indoor pet wash
I'm so excited about this.
for the winter.
For the winter. And, well, for any time, because look at the size of him.
Yeah.
He doesn't fit in the bathtub.
No, he
Ever.
doesn't.
No.
Brutus.
So, this is...
Nana's waiting
amazing.
patiently. So, all right, I gotta take my jacket off and
Nope.
we're gonna get going.
Nope.
You?
Nope.
And your security. Don't let them get out. You got an apron?
I got an apron. I don't want to be wet.
I don't have an apron at this station.
It's right behind you.
Oh, Nana's doing good though.
No shaking.
Maybe we won't need an apron.
No, I think I'm gonna wear everything that Brutus has got.
Well,
Nope.
Nana's doing good so far.
Doesn't matter.
Holy mackerel.
Such a good boy. You let me clean your paw. I know.
Look at that.
I know.
You are one soapy beast.
Here, give me this foot.
Holy mackerel, bro.
Foot.
Definitely one of the keys for good behavior right here. Boy, oh boy, it's like spa day for the dogs.
Yeah, when's my spa day?
Well, jump in, honey. It's only $10 a pop.
I'm not a dog.
Well, I can still treat you to a very relaxing. What are you doing, Goober? Gotcha. Oh, you look like Wolfman.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my gracious. Chum chum chum.
Oh, here's more.
Chum chum chum. I really hope there's a tip jar around here, whoever has to clean up after this. Oh boy. Yeah, we probably should. Brutus, what do you think?
Get me out of here.
That's what. Now, I do not know if it's honestly age or that was really not an easy task. That is,
I think it's a combination of both.
got our butts kicked.
Yeah.
I've got hair, dog hair,
I had hair in my mouth.
in places that I don't
had
even know how it happened.
dog hair in my mouth. Yeah, no, not pleasant.
Yeah. So
It took 5 of us, pretty much all 6 of us, to
get them into tubs.
tub, onto the drying table, clean, rinsed, dried. Doing the sign language for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Nana was an absolute angel.
She was fine.
She was fine, not a problem. I didn't get Nana. I got Brutus.
Although I will say, getting into the store, Nana was irritated with
People.
well, and especially there was other dogs.
Yeah, she didn't like that.
No, and I couldn't get her to stop barking, so we just waited till the other people were gone.
Yeah.
But okay, so Tractor Supply. Wow, what a
Awesome.
service!
What an amazing service. Very reasonable, and I hope they will keep going with it, because it's just,
We asked them many times about cleanup, and they said, "Nope, that's part of the price."
it's part of it.
And I said, did you see what was going into that portal? The
Right.
portal of
I apologize to the gentleman coming in, and he's like, "No, it's all can be hosed down. The walls are, you just spray them down." That's awesome.
there could
That's
have been
absolutely awesome.
There could have been a few pounds of hair.
I think there was a few pounds of hair. I did get a lot of it in the trash before leaving, as I was trying to get it off of the dog.
Well,
Yeah.
and okay, she rode in a separate vehicle.
Well,
Let's just say that there's spit and foam and wet dog and hair all over the inside of the pickup truck. He kept trying to jump in the front seat while I'm driving.
no, that's a bad idea. Bad idea.
We've got the Zap trainer, and I was like, "Get down."
Yeah, well, I mean, we couldn't all fit in the truck, so we had to take a second, our other car, to get there and back.
There and back again. So, Tractor Supply,
Awesome.
you rock.
Yes.
You rock.
And whoever at Tractor Supply thought of this idea,
Bless
Bless
you.
you.
That's funny,
Bless
Jinx. You owe me a Coke.
okay, I'll give you a Coke.
So,
Bless you.
I'm going to go and curl up in the corner and find a place to just be comatose for a while. So, I'm Brad.
I'm Krista.
You guys have an amazing, blessed day.